Hey everyone, Nicole with J&T Property Solutions. It's been a while since I walked you through our current rehab and it is now done and it's beautiful. So I'm excited to show this to you. In here we put some luxury vinyl plank on the flooring because it was cracked tile that was uneven and broken. Patched up some of the walls, added new doors to everything in here, new light fixtures. Here we repurposed an old door to make this cool office and continue the luxury vinyl plank in here, painted, patched walls, and really gave an upgrade to this bathroom in here. If you can see that, we have new flooring and new paint as well in there. And then follow me upstairs, and I'm going to show you the living and kitchen room. And in here we kept these hardwood floors. If you remember, we just refinished them. We'll be getting another coat on it once staging is destaged. And in here we did textures, wall, and then the biggie is this kitchen. And it was really dark in here and kind of closed off. And we were able to open it up, put new fixtures, beautiful new countertops and cabinets in, and really make this thing shine. And then follow me upstairs. Again, kept the wood floors here. And the bathroom, the hall bath, we upgraded to a double sink. New paint. This room was a beautiful red before, and it is now a more neutral palette. And then gave that shower bathtub combo an upgrade with some great new tile. And up here, we kept the floors as I mentioned, just put some paint. There was a lot of wild colors and paint in here, so that is the spare bedroom. And then the master suite is really where we upgraded this property. So it has a huge spacious living room here for the bed. And then we opened this up and made this a new walk-in closet for the new owners. So they could set a chair in here, their dresser, really kind of make it their own, but they have plenty of space to hang their clothes, and then they get to walk into their ensuite bath, which is pretty gorgeous. We did a huge shower upgrade with a rain head at the top, a huge nook for your shampoo and soap, and then a little toilet room in there for your toileting privacy. So follow me, we'll go down to the basement and I'll show you that. So in this basement, we continued this luxury vinyl plank from the main floor. And really upgraded the walls, put some new shut-off valves to the exterior. They have a closet down here, and then also we added a bedroom. So the bedroom is here. They have their laundry space here, utility room, but the bedroom, since we took one away upstairs, we added this down here for someone. It could be a great office space or bedroom, and gives a lot of light. So that's it. We are done with this property and on to the next, and I will let you know our next one coming up, so stay tuned.